Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your TW Steel Chronograph Watch. Today we have a very interesting version. We have, as you can see, the FIA World Rally Championship model. As you can see, we have the date complication between 4 and 5 o'clock, and in order to correctly set the time and date on your chronograph watch, we are going to follow three basic principles. Now the first one is going to be to set the time at 6:30 in order to protect the date wheel. So inside the watch we have a small wheel that rotates in order to change the date. Usually between 9 and 12 o'clock the date wheel is going to engage, so it is going to start changing the date. If you have a dated complication, it can also engage between 12 and 3 o'clock or between 12 and even 5 o'clock in case you have a double language when it comes to the day of the week. So in order to protect the date wheel, we are going to set the time at 6:30. I'm going to pull the crown to the last position in order to show you exactly how the date is going to start moving. As you can see right now, as I am getting closer and closer to 12 o'clock, the wheel is rotating the date. So if I try or if I attempt to change the date while the date wheel is engaged, there is a big possibility or chance that I can actually break the date wheel. This can happen on both quartz and mechanical watches. So in order to protect the date wheel, we are going to set the time at 6:30. This is going to be a very easy way to remember, and you can apply this to both quartz and mechanical watches. The upper half of the dial is considered the danger zone, and the lower half is going to be considered the safe zone, and that is why we want to set the time at 6:30 so that both of our watch hands are on the lower part of the dial. Now the second principle when we want to set the time and date is to first set the date, and we are going to set it 1 day prior to our actual end goal. So let's presume I want to make it the 30th of the month. I'm going to make it the 29th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually until I arrive on my desired date, and I will set the time and I can select AM or PM. So I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and I'm going to pull it once again to the first position, so to my first click. Here I can change the date. I'm going to go one by one, and as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 30th of the month. So I'm going to make it the 29th, 1 day prior. And now the third principle is to set the time. So I'm going to pull the crown to the last position once again, and I'm going to go manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes. For this particular model, we also have the 24-hour display right here. So the subdial on the right side actually shows us military time. So as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to midnight. And now the date is going to change. So I have arrived on my desired date, and now I can make it 4 AM, so 4 in the morning. If I want to make it PM, also on the 30th, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. And as you can see, the date did not change, so I'm still on the 30th, and now I can make it 4 PM, so 4 in the afternoon. You can actually see that this subdial points to 16. So this is how I know whether I am AM or PM. Some chronograph watches or other, let's say, non-chronograph watches do not feature the military time, but this tutorial can be applied in order to correctly set the time and date. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, I now know that I am on the 30th and it is 4 PM, so 4 in the afternoon. In case you want to watch the full guide with also how to use the chronograph function and also how to align, so how to reset the chronograph hands at 12 o'clock after battery replacement, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and also to how to replace the watch battery on your TW Steel Chronograph watch. If you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know if you found this video useful, what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, and if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this TW Steel Chronograph watch, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.